again. Next from 6. Ah! 6, don't do this. Okay, don't do this. I know this is at the end of the years and you want to celebrate it merrily, but please don't. Ah! Ah! Alright, I'll take the first pre-order of Risu's dishwater. Do you remember how much Dosh that I told you to buy Risu's dishwater? Yes, he donated as much as that. Yeah. There's no dishwater, okay? At least I'll wait until my birthday and you can officially buy my merch, okay? Please wait. Don't do this. Do not do this, okay? Oh, or I will get asthma. Yeah.